Intransigent means very stubborn or never changes mind. She was intransigent since she refused to say sorry. He is intransigent because he never agrees with others. Tenacious means a person who never gives up, keeps trying. He is tenacious because he worked hard to win. She was tenacious since she kept studying until she passed the exam. Querulous means always complaining. He is querulous because he complains about food daily. She was querulous as she disliked the hot weather. Munificent means very generous, gives a lot. She is munificent as she donated all of her money. He is munificent because he helps poor people. Sagacious means very clever, wise. He is sagacious because he always gives smart advices. People call her sagacious as she make good choices. Ineffable means too amazing to describe in words. She enjoyed the ineffable beauty of the mountains. He felt ineffable when he saw his family. Garrulous means a person who talks too much. He is garrulous because he talks all the time. She was garrulous as she kept telling long stories. Lugubrious means a person who is very sad. He looked lugubrious because he lost the game. She was lugubrious as her cat ran away. Irascible means A person who gets angry very quickly. He is irascible because he shouts at small things. She became irascible as her phone stopped working. Pulchritude means beauty. He admired her pulchritude because she looked stunning at the wedding. She has pulchritude as everyone notices her charm.